Now I am going to explain you the question number 15.
Okay, now I'm just speaking one little more time. Now there are total coins 160. I assume the number of coins of rupees 5 is equal to x. Then the number of coins of rupees 2 according to our condition 3x. Because the value of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the value of rupees of 5 coins. So we get 3x. Now number of coins of rupees 1 is what? Total coin minus coin of 2 rupees and coin of 5 rupees. Okay. So what are the total coins? 160. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 5 rupees coin x, 2 rupees coin 3x. That is x plus 3x. Any problem or not? Or I will explain again.
No, ma'am.
Hmm? So
No,
what
ma'am.
we get? 160 minus 4x is equal to 160 minus x plus 3x we have now 4x into 1. In this way we have to solve. An amount of 2 rupees note that means 2 into ratio is 3x. An amount of 5 rupees note is equal to 5 into we have the ratio x. Okay, because we have the what is the format? We have ratio with the value. Okay, so this is the ratio and 1 rupee note is 1. Now this is the value, this is the ratio. Do you, Paridhi, are you there?
Ma'am.
Now this is the value, this is the ratio. Because I assume the 5 rupees note are x. Okay. Then for the 2 rupees, for the coin of 2 rupees, they're not there. These are the coins. We have the ratio becomes 3x. Because the coin of 2, they are 3 times of 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the answer over here? In the first case, what we got when we multiply it 1, we get 160 minus 4x. Here I got 6x. Here I got 5x. Okay. Now, this is the total money I have. If we have 5 rupees note, if we have x, if we have 2 rupees coin, if we have y, if we have 1 rupees coin, we have z. When we multiply both of them, multiply both of them, multiply both of them, and when we add, then it is total money.
Yes, ma'am.
For if in your piggy bank you have rupees 5 coin, number of coins, for example, x, that means number of coins you have 10. Then total money of 5 coins is what? 50 rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, 2 rupees coin, something else. Clear? So here I will frame this is x. For 2 rupees coin, what we get according to condition? 3x.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for 1 rupees coin, what we get? 160 minus x plus 3x.
4x.
Yeah, so what we get? 160 minus 4x. Okay. So in place of this, what I will write over here? Coin of 5, it is number of coin. It is value of coin. Coin of 5, we have 5. Number of coin, we have x. Now coin of 2, we have 3x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coin of rupees 1, we have 160 minus 4x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when we multiply all of them, 1 with this, 2 with this, 3 with this, then it is total sum, total money.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So, just note it down. Have you noted? No. Just note it down for a while.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, 5x, we multiply both of them. Then, plus 2 into 3x plus 1 into 160 minus 4x is equal to how much money total we have? 300 rupees in our question,
Yes, ma'am.
which is equal to 300. Have you got concept? It is might a little bit confusing one. Okay. So it is 5x. Then it is what?
2 into 6x,
Yeah. Then
160 minus 4x.
then 300. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then solve it. Eleven x.
7x 160 is equal to 300.
Yeah.
11x
Then
7x is equal to
yeah.
300
Hmm.
minus
Hmm.
160.
Then
Ma'am, it will be 140.
what is
And
the
then divide, so 20.
20? So how many coins of 5?
What, ma'am?
Listen one thing. Wait a minute. How many coins are asked?
20.
5. We have 20 because we assume x. Have you noted it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number of coins of 5. What we have? X. So this is 20. Number of coins of rupees at 2, which is 3x. That is 20 into 3. I assumed it earlier in the starting. That is 60. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
These are the coins. We have to count them. We can count them. The number of coins of rupees 1. That means 160 minus 4x. That means 160 minus 4 into 20. That is 160 minus 80, which is equal to 80. Okay, Paridhi?
Okay, ma'am.
I have made the screen recording of this and I will send it to you on the batch. Okay? You again watch this question.
Okay, ma'am.
So listen one thing. Whenever these are the cases, number of coins are there, values are there. Clear? Then
Yes.
what we do, the time is over now. The next class is there, but I'm just explaining you. I will talk to that students. Number of coin into value, okay, in rupees. It is equal to sum. Clear, Paridhi?
Okay, ma'am.
So when we have number of coins x, value is 5 rupees, it becomes 5x. When number of coins 3x, its value is rupees 2, as in our question.